frequent eating a lot of sugar, eating a lot of grains, eating a lot of ultra-processed foods. And the more of those foods you eat, the older you're going to look, the more unhealthy you're going to look.
Why do we age? Aging impacts our skin, energy, and temperament, not simply our age. Skin wrinkles and sagging are generally caused by decreased collagen production and damage from stress, food, and environment. Did you realize lifestyle choices affect how rapidly you age?
Some of the dry skin problems that you see out there it's not that the person is dehydrated, it's that they're missing certain healthy fats.
Dr. Berg says poor diet, hormonal imbalances, and oxidative stress accelerate aging. Good news, you can slow or reverse it with the correct changes. Aging is linked to cellular inflammation, which Dr. Berg's treatments address. You can reduce inflammation, promote cell regeneration, and keep your skin and body looking younger by living a healthier lifestyle. What if you could turn back time by eating differently? Dr. Berg believes that diet is the key to youth. His keto diet advice is high. Ketogenic diets are effective weight loss and anti-aging tools.
If you want to look young, you better avoid those unsaturated fats because they're going to make you look old really quick.
Where the body burns fat for fuel. This reduces inflammation, a major aging factor. In summary, less inflammation implies healthier skin and fewer wrinkles. It's not just diet. Lifestyle modifications matter too. Sleeping enough, reducing stress, and staying hydrated can make a big difference.
Of course, to do that, you're going to get enough sleep, do long walks, and try to reduce the stress as much as possible.
Many people think pricey skincare products are best, but Dr. Berg disagrees. He believes the key to youthful skin is both what you put on it and what you do internally. One of his top recommendations is natural collagen boosters. As said, collagen keeps skin tight and elastic. Supplements can assist, but Dr. Berg recommends nutrition to boost collagen production. Bone broth, salmon, and egg whites are good sources. Another anti-aging method is free radical protection. Unstable free radicals destroy skin cells, causing wrinkles and sagging.
The other thing about creating a youthful appearance is to make sure that your liver is working, especially with this thing called bile.
You should eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and almonds to maintain your skin healthy and vibrant. Dr. Berg says intermittent fasting promotes healthy, bright skin. Fasting frees your body from digestion to repair and rejuvenate cells. Autophagy removes damaged cells and promotes healthy cell development. Intermittent fasting improves your health and gives your skin the best chance to stay young and bright. How can I look 10 years younger? Simple, sustainable adjustments start it. Dr. Berg offers simple, scientific anti-aging advice. First, go keto to reduce inflammation and improve cell health. To maintain tight, bright skin, eat collagen-rich foods and omega-3s. To protect your skin from environmental damage, prioritize vitamin D, zinc, and antioxidant supplements.
The sun can make you look older, especially if you allow the skin to burn.
For internal skin support, combine this with a consistent skincare program that includes products, intermittent fasting, and natural therapies. Remember to sleep, minimize stress, and remain hydrated. Dr. Berg's plan to reverse aging is simple: diet, stress management, and body care. Follow these methods to observe results in your appearance and mood. So take charge of your health and live young. Subscribe now for future videos for expert anti-aging, health, and nutrition advice.